Hey guys, welcome to the video. First 30 seconds is going to be a hyperlapse video driving into the desert 10 miles to this abandoned site that I go to. Most of the video is going to be exploring a special site that I'm not going to mention. Initially, this was supposed to just be an abandoned ranch. Couldn't find anything else after that initial site, so I did a little bit driving around, had an epiphany, and decided I'm near something. And I'm going to pop over there and do a special video. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? I decided to drive out to this place. It's like an abandoned ranch. I thought it'd be pretty cool. Found it online. Was not expecting to get out here and it be completely barbed wire fenced in. So I'm a little annoyed about that. It is what it is. I mean, it's surrounded by state trust land. In this particular spot, there's a huge number of acreages that is actually privately owned. But from what I looked at online, the company doesn't exist anymore. So I wasn't expecting on coming out here and it being barbed wired up. But I mean, I can't go up to the buildings, but I'm gonna try and get whatever shots I can. So, here we go. It looks like it used to have some sort of like historic building marker or something on it, or something, I don't know. But that right there looks like it's supposed to be some sort of sign. I don't know what it said or what it is, but it kind of sucks I can't get out there. I'm a little confused on why I'm hearing a generator going. So I'm going to walk around a little bit inside of the building. So figured out why there's a generator. There's some animals down there. A couple cows just chilling. So it's still some sort of an active ranch, but wasn't really expecting it. But I mean, it's kind of nice out here. I don't know what that was. There's another building down there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a water tower there that's actually overflowing. I'll see if I can try to zoom in. But right in that tree there, it's full of water and it is overflowing. It really sucks you can't get up to the building. There's some other buildings over here. I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna get some video of that. There's an old structure over here. Has like an old fireplace. So that looked pretty cool. So like I said, I'm gonna get what I can, but they got it all fenced off a lot of places. I don't know if they still use these pens, but it's got an old structure there. There's an old building over there. It looks like it's been pushed up. Got another building over here. Somewhere it's been knocked down. I apologize about the wind. I don't know if it's too bad for you guys, but it's a little windy out here. This building's completely sealed. It's a little strange. So can't get in there. And there's my dirty bitch. She's looking good. A little dirty, but looking good. It's not fenced up, so I'm gonna walk around it. It's cool. Filled with junk, but it's still cool. Old chicken coop. Cow. Now I don't want to go down there because there's a fence right here that's knocked down, so I'm going to respect the borders the best that I can. I wonder what this looked like when it was a house. I mean, that's a solid concrete foundation, man. Like, what did it look like? Yeah. Old windmill. Seen better days, obviously. Cool little site. Kind of, like I said, man, it's a shame it's fenced off. I would have liked to have gone and explored that building right there. That'd been cool. But you know, it is what it is. You never know apparently what you're going to get when you go out to these places. You're shut down, locked off, blocked up. Tried going out to one place and it was completely locked down. They had the road blocked off with boulders, no trespassing signs. Couldn't get anywhere near it. It really sucked. So this is pretty much it for this site. I don't know if there's more on a property. The satellite picture wasn't really that great out here, so I'm not sure what there is. But I'm gonna keep exploring a little bit. See what I got. Well, apparently people burn a lot of crap out here, so we're gonna jump back in the Jeep and keep going. Now coming up here was about a 9-mile drive down a dirt road. You'll see that, or you probably saw that already. I'm gonna put the time warp in the beginning. So to get out to this location here off one of the major roads was about a 9-mile drive, maybe 10. Obviously I was expecting to be able to explore a little bit more, I wasn't expecting the property to be completely barbed wired in, and I don't want to trespass, so I'm just gonna take it from the road here and move on. I don't really know if there's anything along the rest of the road, but from my recollection it's like 23 miles around the other way to get back out onto the major drag. So gonna hop back in the Jeep and explore a little bit more.
Move, bitch, get out the way. Get out the way, bitch, get out the way.
Alright, so couldn't find anything along where I was at last, so I decided to take a ride towards Phoenix. I figured, what the hell, right? Didn't work out too well. This place is awesome. Wonder if these are the ones that they already tore down or what.
Man, you're up there now.
Jesus. Wow. This is fucking wild.